animal's name. Watch, listen and speak. Cat.
This is a cat.
Cow.
This is a cow.
Camel.
This is a camel.
Dog.
This is a dog.
Goat.
This is a goat.
Horse.
This is a horse.
Elephant.
Elephant. This is an elephant.
Lion.
This is a lion. A lion.
Deer.
This is a deer. Deer.
Giraffe.
This is a giraffe.
Giraffe.
Tiger.
This is a tiger.
Tiger.
Rabbit.
This is a rabbit.
Rabbit.
Monkey.
This is a monkey.
Monkey.
Bear.
This is a bear.
Bear.
Kiddos, now read one by one.
Cat.
Cat.
Cow. Camel.
Camel.
Dog.
Dog.
Goat.
Horse. Lion. Elephant. Deer.
Tiger. Giraffe.
Monkey.
Bear.
Rabbit. Thank you for watching.
Like, share, subscribe.
For fun learning videos.
And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss a learning moment.
Bye.